Have you ever been working on a project only to be interrupted by an error message that leaves you scratching your head? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common SBT error that many developers face. I totally get it. Running into errors like this can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're on a deadline. You're not alone in this. Many developers have encountered similar issues with SBT. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user recently reported an error when running the command SBT version. They received a warning about the max perm size option and then encountered a critical error stating failed to construct terminal, falling back to unsupported. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this error mean? It typically indicates a problem with the terminal configuration in SBT, often related to Java settings or terminal compatibility. Understanding this will help us troubleshoot effectively. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the error the user is encountering, we will first check the Java version. It's important to ensure that the user is running a compatible version of Java for SBT. Next, the user should verify their SBT version. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal to ensure that SBT is up to date. If the versions are correct, the user should consider clearing the SBT cache. This can help resolve issues related to corrupted files. Finally, if the problem persists, the user may want to check their terminal settings. Sometimes, terminal emulators can cause compatibility issues. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of SBT was released back in 2010? It's come a long way since then, but like any tool, it can have its quirks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests changing the SBT version in the build.properties file to a higher version. They found that version 0.3.16 worked for them. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution for Ubuntu 20.04 users involves a few terminal commands. First, navigate to the SBT bin directory. Then, change the permissions of the SBT file to allow editing. After that, open the SBT file and add the command export term equals xterm color at the top before saving the changes. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution comes from a user who found success by adding a specific command to their configuration file. They suggest adding export term equals xterm-color to your ZSHRC file. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. One user faced a similar issue while using Activator, which relies on SBT. They found that the problem arose after running the command activator gen idea. To resolve it, they deleted the cache generated by Activator. Specifically, they removed the .ev and SBT directories from their home folder and then ran the command activator clean files compile. This successfully fixed the error. Here's that valuable tip I promised. Always keep your Java and SBT versions updated. This simple habit can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the SBT terminal error. Remember, staying updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and don't miss our next video.